Need a school schedule hack? My secret weapon keeps me totally on track. It's my cute little timetable keychain right on my bag. Take a rectangular strip. You can adjust the size according to your requirement. Now, draw a margin half centimeter on top and on the left side of paper. Draw 9 equal horizontal lines to write down the day of the week and subjects. In one strip, you can write timetable for 2 days, one in the front and one at the back of the strip. Like this, you have to make 3 strips for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and 1 extra strip if you want to write your name or do any decoration. After these strips are ready, fill these strips according to your school timetable and decorate it using your imagination. Do tiny decorations like flowers, dots, hearts, etc. Now, laminate it with white sellotape to protect it from wear and tear. If you wish, you can also take some extra strips to write some notes or note down your homework. Cut number of strips according to your requirement. Here I have cut only 3 strips. You can draw lines or just keep it empty. Make a punch hole on the left corner of each strip. Get an old keychain ring or clamp and insert all the strips in it. Here I have used a keychain clamp from my old water bottle. Now the keychain is ready. Just attach it to your bag. Cute little DIY timetable keychain is ready. Now, no hustle or bustle to take out your diary from your bag to check the timetable. Just grab your timetable keychain and you're there to go. Get ready for your next subject. You can also write important notes on the notes page of the keychain. I was trying to make a DIY timetable keychain for a long time. Finally, I made it. And I am sharing this with you. If you like, please take a moment to like and comment.